We've partnered with brewer Stone & Wood, aluminium coil maker Novelis, and miner Rio Tinto to make a more sustainable beverage can for Stone & Wood's beer.
Aluminium cans are made in two separate parts, the body of the can and the lid. The body of the can is made here at Yatala. We send the body of the can and the top to our customers. We use a special machine to make the tops at our factory in Coburg, Victoria. Our beverage cans are made with recycled content and are easily recycled through your curbside recycling bin.
The more sustainable beverage can contains an average of 83% recycled content, 23% higher than the latest Australian average of 68%. We recycle beverage cans through curbside recycling schemes and container deposit schemes, which is remanufactured into new aluminium coils by Novelis. We buy these recycled aluminium coils and manufacture them into new beverage cans right here in Yatala. In FY23, we collected 20,000 tonnes of aluminium from Australia and New Zealand, which we sent back to be recycled and remade into products like the Stone & Wood can. By working together, we are keeping waste out of landfill by creating a beverage can with high recycled content, which is also easily recycled after use.